everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick rail piece with the Unique in the Creek rail board and this beautiful garland I got for like 80% off at Michael's. I believe it was Michael's. Yes, at Michael's. It was $19.99 and I paid 80%. So I think I only paid a couple dollars for it. So it is really, really cute. It's a 4D design, so it's got like flowers and greenery all over it. And I'm only actually going to use a small piece of it to decorate the bottom. And then I have this gorgeous, really fun rag bow that was made by Jackie's Wreaths and Things, and she sent it to me. So I think it's going to look so cute with this vinyl. Don't hurry, be happy. And all the colors are in it, and then we'll just zip tie this onto the board and we will be done. So quick. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my vinyl on. So I'm going to squirt my board a little bit, give it a little bit of water, get a piece of paper towel and a squeegee. Now I'm using a Mod Podge squeegee. You can use a credit card or something with a rigid edge, but you want to put the paper towel over it so it collects the water that's going to come out of from behind our vinyl. That's pretty good the first time. So once you have it, I'm going to move it over just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to hold it up, make sure it looks straight. Looks straight to me. And now I'm going to start from the middle and work my way to the outside, being sure that the edge is really pushed down well and the water's coming out. We want water coming out. It's just there to guide the vinyl. And the paper towel not only helps collect the water that squirts out the sides, but it also helps dry it up. So this does take about 24 hours to cure. So if you're going to do any trimming around the back, if you need to, wait for the 24 hours before you try and trim it. Okay, I think we're good. I don't see any bubbles. Really cute vinyl. Really cute. Okay. Oh, got wet on the back though. Piece of hair. I can see it. That's better. Okay, now I'm going to be using 4-inch zip ties. I have a whole bunch of them, and all I need to do is zip tie this garland onto the board. So it's super easy. So there are links. It's almost like a chain link on this garland. So I'm just going to cut the first link off so I get the price tag off. And I'm going to start on the bottom row. So I'm going to put zip ties on the bottom row open. And you can use any kind of garland you want. Like I said, I got this really cheap. It was the after spring sale. So that's when you can grab stuff at craft stores really cheap. And I'm going to put my zip ties between the links of the garland. I'm going to kind of hang this garland a little bit. So I'm bringing it up through the link. Okay, and I'm gonna, not going straight across the bottom, I'm giving it a little bit of a lackadaisy so it's not tight across the bottom. I'm going to cut the zip tie tails off. And again, I'm going to cut right here, one of the links right off. So there's the bottom. Oh, forgot one. There's the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing up at the top. So I'm going to go down and up on row number 2 here. Now you probably don't have to do every set of holes. You could probably do every other hole because it'll keep it in. I'm going to cut this little piece off so I can start with a piece with flowers in it. There we go. So again, putting them through the link, the zip tie. And zip tying around. Now this part I'm not doing as lackadaisy, as loose as the bottom, because I don't want it blocking my vinyl. So I'm just kind of going straight across. And one more. Okay, cut the link off, end here. Oh, I guess guess I cut it a little bit too much off. I have a little bit extra here, so I need some extra flour here. And I think I'm just going to glue that shut. There we go. We got a little bit left. Could probably put some up at the top. That would be really cute. We'll see how it goes when we're finished. And now I'm going to put my rag bow right in the on top, in the center of all these flowers. They're all, I'll put pipe cleaner in there. And this rag bow was made by my friend Jackie Blewett at Jackie's Wreaths and Things. Just glue the back to put my pipe cleaner on. And I'm also going to take out one of these little flowers from my bush here, cut off some of that stem, and hot glue just a flower right in the middle of my bow so it matches. Now I'm just going to go down the center middle hole, so where I'm going to be going, I'm going to go from here to here on the center where there's no zip tie, because the bow is quite large. It is one of her small bows, but it's still a large bow. Now, gotta find the holes. There's one. There's the second one. Okay, once you get it on, I'm just gonna give it a couple twists just to make sure I'm on well. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. It's so simple. All right. This is just a, what size is this? It's like 5/8, and it's just a sheer version. One. just strung that through. Not sure if that will work. We'll see. And I'm just gluing this little bunch back so you can't see the links, the plastic links on it. And there we go. We have our cute "Don't hurry, be happy." Oh, yeah. We need to trim these green out of the way of our sign. There we go. Cute, cute project. Thanks for watching.